Welcome back. This is All This Math. This is Professor Parker. I got the late Dr. Carter G. Woodson here with me. All right. Make sure you do your research on Carter G. Woodson. If you're unfamiliar, if you're here, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed already, hit the subscribe button. All right. Also, share this video with at least 2 other people. And if you have any questions about anything I attempt to explain, please put your questions in the comment section. All right. What are we doing today? We are adding 2-digit numbers using number bonds. Number bonds. This is something that your children may see in first grade or second grade, right? We want to make sure that they are proficient, highly proficient in using number bonds. Now, why are number bonds helpful? One reason is it's going to prepare them for work in chemistry class, all right, in the future. Also, it's going to help your children prepare for using the distributive property to do mental math calculations very easily. All right. And also they're going to use distributive property and algebra all the time. So this is the couple of benefits of understanding how to use number bonds to do addition. So with a number bond, I first got to pick which number do I want to break down into 2 separate parts, right? Which number? First number or second number? It doesn't really matter. I typically use the second number. I typically tend to break the second number down. Why? It's arbitrary. There's no real reason for it. It's something I do. All right, I could break 26 down, but I don't want to. If you want to break 26 down, that's fine. You can do that. Just follow this method. When you break the number down, you're going to break the number down into 2 numbers, right? 2 numbers that add together to make that number. So I'm going to break 12 down into 10 and 2. Why? Because one of our numbers should end in 0. Why? Why should one of the numbers end in 0? Because that makes the addition easier. Makes the addition easier. I'll repeat that, right? Because adding a number that ends in 0 means you're only changing the digit in the tens place. Again, if you add a number that ends in 0 and you're dealing with 2-digit numbers, you're only changing the digit in the tens place. So what's that going to look like? It's going to look like this: 10 and 2. 10 plus 2 is 12. So this breaks down into a bond. You got 10 and 2. All right. So we got 10 and 2. So now I'm going to do 26 plus 10. 26 plus 10. Now, somebody might say this. Somebody might say, oh, well, couldn't you do 26 plus 2? You could. You could do 26 plus 2, get 28, and then add 28 plus 10. You could do it that way too. You have flexibility. You got flexibility, right? Just like when you stretch, you got flexibility, right? But I'm going to do 26 plus 10 because that's just the way I like to do it, right? So 26 plus 10 gives us 36 because like I told you, when you're adding a number that ends in 0, only the digit in the tens place changes. So we had 2 tens. Now we got another 10. So that's 3 tens. And we still have the 6 ones. So that's 36. 26 plus 10 becomes 36. So now I got 36. Write that down. And then what am I adding this to? That 2 that was still over there. So now 36 plus 2, we got 30, we got 6, and we got 2. Add the ones together. 6 plus 2 is 8. Now, if your child is adding 2-digit numbers, hopefully they have already memorized the addition facts from 0 to 10. So they should know from memory that 6 plus 2 is 8. If they do, that's helpful. If they don't and they still need to draw out like 6 circles and then draw 2 circles and then count up all the circles, that's fine. But you want to speed up the process and get them to memorize that 6 plus 2 is 8. They should just know that. All right. If they're adding 2-digit numbers, they should already know from memory that 6 plus 2 is 8. All right. So now 36 plus 2 is 38. And that is our final answer. All right. Using a number bond. All right. So hit the like button. If you didn't hit the like button already, subscribe. If you're not already subscribed, please share this video with at least 2 people. At least 2 people. And if you got any questions or comments, put your questions or comments in the comment section. All right. See y'all later.